look out, boat, look out. You just run right up under the bow. Little gel coat repair. How many boats you got? That's good. He's like, baby, get out, I got this. Are we really doing this? We can't back her up straight, so we'll just lift the trailer. I can't let my man live this one down. It's a little tight in here. I'm not saying it's their first time, but I'm saying it ain't looking good for them. Meanwhile, this dude has completely missed it. Like to buy a new captain, please, for $400. What did they hit? It is raining. I don't know if you can hear the rain. I've got an umbrella, but it ain't big enough for me, the camera. Why is everybody in the water? We got people right there in the water. We got people over here in the water. It's gonna be our first episode in the rain ever. Can y'all even see that it's raining? This is what I was hoping for. We're getting it. Oh, prop wash, kicked them over. Prop wash, they gunned it. Look, I just pushed him right into the dock. Oof. Backing down. Slams into it. Watch that Suzuki now. Looks like they got that new 250 or 350 on there. I can't see from here. I think it's 250. Oh, they're all jacked up now. Back down, back down, back down. And if you look in lane 4, they're still pushing. What is going on? Am I missing something? The whole ramp is going into just chaos right now. What is going on, people? Motor's gonna be in the pilings. He's pushing. They bounce it off the dock one more time. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Bam. There they are. And then we'll swing quickly over to 3. And we got trouble on 3. He's gonna recover, it looks like. And he's on there. All right, back to 7. Action. Giveaway time right here on the Big Dan Show. One of our partners, Ocean Tamer Marine Bean Bags. Freaking awesome. You've heard us talk about them a lot. They're legit. We've been using them for several years now, and they're awesome. Lifetime warranty. They're made in the US, and they're legit. So you need to go buy one right now. ocean-tamer.com. If you use the code IN2DEEP, you'll save 10% on your order. Now here's how to be entered for your chance to win a free marine bean bag. Go on Ocean Tamer's website, order a bean bag. Everybody that uses the code IN2DEEP, that's right here, IN2DEEP, will be entered to win an Ocean Tamer bean bag. So if you order a teardrop, XL teardrop, if you win, I don't know how many entries there's going to be. Maybe 15, 20, 30, 50. I don't know. I hope everybody buys a bean bag, but that's not practical. We'll probably do. They'll probably sell 20 bean bags off this. So there's a pretty good chance that you are going to win. So whatever you buy, they will send you a matching bean bag that will make basically a matching set of marine bean bags. So we use them for the boat. We use them at the ballpark. We use them on the sandbar. We use them all the time, all over the place. Up until about 2 hours ago, I had 3 of them riding in the back of my truck, so.
Hey, we've been fishing with Big Dan. It's been awesome. These bags, what are they called?
Ocean Tamer.
Oh, Tamers? And they tame my back, too. And it's been an awesome day. Thank you, Dan. You're keeping the speed right. I mean, not the drugs. The speed on the boat has been perfect. And it's been good for my back. Your back hurting?
I didn't expect to go all the way to Cuba today, but I want you to know that for long trips, this is the best trip I have ever had.
Absolutely.
Go
Big Dan.
Fish.
Hold on. We're doing the commercial for the bean bag.
Oh, the bean bag. Yeah, bean bag. Bean bag chairs are really, they are awesome.
What's the name of them?
Ocean Tamers.
Ocean Tamer.
Man,
Yeah,
Ocean Tamer.
Because it would have been bad today without these bean bags.
It would have.
It would have been untamed.
No doubt.
You know what untamed is? That's wild. And we don't like it wild. We like it calm and peaceful at our age.
You got to have them. The best ride in the house when it comes to comfort on an offshore boat, or maybe you're just sandbar hopping. You got to have them. I love them. Everyone loves them. Bailey, do you love your bean bag? Be honest now. You're on TV. Don't lie to the people. Ocean Tamer, marine bean bag, or captain's chair?
Can I just take my head out to
Yeah. Bean bag or captain's chair? It is very simple. Would you rather get your freaking back
I
compressed?
would rather sit in the beanbag.
Okay, would you rather take a dump on the back of the boat, the 5-gallon bucket, or be in the captain's chair? No, or on the beanbag. Not take a dump on the beanbag, but sit in the beanbag.
Why? What does taking a dump have to do with it?
I don't know. We got some engagement here. People are watching. They're laughing. They're interacting. They're like, oh my gosh, he did not. Yes, I did. Would you like to sit in the
What?
beanbag or on a 5-gallon bucket on the back of the boat?
Beanbag?
Okay, sandbar or beanbag?
Wait, what did you say? It's called a marine what? A
Marine.
sandbag?
It's a marine.
Why? It's your
Do you want to sit on a... Dude, where is your favorite seat on the boat?
The beanbag.
Okay, thank you.
Actually...
Yeah, go ahead and tell them.
Actually, it's not the beanbag. I just never get the beanbags because my siblings steal them because they love them so much.
But if you had an opportunity to sit on them, would you take the sandbar or the beanbag?
Would you rather lay in the water or on the beanbag?
The beanbag.
All right, so go buy a beanbag.
And they float in the water too.
They float?
Yeah. You ever mentioned that?
No, I didn't, because they do float, but I don't want people to be like, oh yeah, that's awesome, because then when you pick them up, they're...
Oh yeah, water gets in them, but
They don't mold, they don't mildew, they don't stink. You can literally, I mean, they're legit. When you get done, hose them off, hang them up, they'll last you a very long time.
In2Deep, 10% off and a chance to be entered in a giveaway.
Oh man. Why is my guy in the water on 4? Still pushing. Alright, back to 7. Guys, when we get done with this shot here, it is gonna do it. We're gonna ease on out. Okay, I think they're gonna get it. I think they're gonna get it. Speaking of prop wash blowing the ramp out, I mean, this dude can't even get out of it. One blip to get up on the bow stop is fine, but that's excessive.